Hello, beautiful dresses seekers and undying optimists that there are good pieces for very cheap prices. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jana and this is Curves on the Road. Today's video will be about Shein dresses. I'm on a mission to find a perfect summer dress from a light, airy material that will be cooling me during the summer days and warm me up during the summer nights. I have picked several pieces that I really liked and we'll see how it went. I picked this first dress because of the print and because of the sleeves. It is beautiful. I love the palm leaves on it, and it just has the cold shoulder teeny tiny sleeve, so I cover the part I don't like about my arms, but I still don't wear more fabric. Sure, I think once you sweat in this material, you won't be happy. This dress is actually very, very cute on. It is quite revealing. I might need a stitch here just to feel secure, but I'm wearing a bra underneath, so the modesty should be saved. The sleeves could be bigger. I don't know, they could be bigger, but they fit at the right spot. They hide what I need them to hide. So technically, I have no major complaints about this dress. Would I love if the material wasn't plastic? I would. But we work with what we got, and this one at the beach under the real palm trees with the palm trees motif on you. Yeah, and the green going with my hair. This is very cute. I feel good in this one. I might belt it, possibly, probably. This one doesn't require any cover up or anything over because the arms are nice and secure. And yeah, cute. I picked this dress because it's very trendy now. Ever heard of the cottage fashion? I think this one fulfills all the requirements. It's cutesy, it has this teeny tiny flower print, and it has all these layers and ruffles at the bottom. The material is fine. If you remember, I did a shirt a few videos ago. It was the same material. It's almost linen, so it's not bad. Am I a big fan of this style, and would I pick it if it wasn't the trendiest thing on earth now? Probably not. But we'll see in the try-on portion. Actually, the more I'm wearing this dress, the more I like it. At first I was like, that's not me, it's too light. It's just a different style than I'm normally used to. But I'm like, hey, light, check. Cute, check. Fits, check. Not bad. I would probably prefer if this part was straight down and the ruffles started only at the back because it just hits the wrong part of my thighs. But I can't be mad at this. It's light, it's summer, and with good accessories, this could be pretty cute. When I saw this dress, I was thinking, what could go possibly wrong? Black top, A-line skirt, that's my jam. I always go for this aesthetic, always works. What can go wrong? The answer is everything. Everything is wrong about this dress. Too narrow sleeves. Material, horrendous. I don't think I've seen worse material ever. Like, the skirt is extreme, and unfortunately the top part is not made of different material. You know, these kind of things are usually made like the top that is clinging on you, made out of some soft-ish material, and just the skirt is somewhat but since it's all around you, it's not that bad. But this one, yeah, no, I'm not really a big fan, to be honest. This dress looks significantly better on camera than in real life. Well, maybe it doesn't look that much better, but it definitely feels much better, because this is a no-go. Like, you can basically see my bra all the time. I'm trying to hold the cleavage together. That's because the arms are too small. The skirt I actually quite like. As I said, if the top was a different, nice, comfortable material and the skirt was as is, I wouldn't say a word. I like the size of the skirt. Nothing is stretchy. There's no stretch anywhere here, but colors are cute. The idea, love, material, no. And here we have a surprising winner. This cute piece is everything. If you get a chance to get your hands on it, go for it. The material is nice. I think in the normal stores you couldn't get better. And it's cute. It has some sexy part of the lace in the midsection, so it will make your smaller part even smaller. And yeah, it's everything you need from a summer dress, basically. For me, the only downside is I'll need to add some sleeves for it to look as I envision it, but that's a small price to pay. And speaking of small price, yeah, everything is really, really cheap. Here's the cute little comfortable number. I really like it. It has just spaghetti straps and it has a zipper on the side so that you can open it and get in it easier, because it has no stretch. This one, zero stretch. So if you have bigger tummy, this one might not be for you. And I don't think you can squeeze in much bigger boobs than I have, which is almost none. Obviously, I'll wear a cover up on this, and for this one, I'll go all lace. What do we think? Is it cute? Or we can just untie the dress? And I think it's very, very cute. I desperately need one black dress that is simple, and I can put some crazy cover-ups over it to give it the color and give it the vibe, but the basic has to be comfortable and black. This is the candidate from Shein. It has the halter neck. You basically just put this around your head and that's what it holds on, and it is backless. Like, the bag goes down to your butt. Somebody likes it, somebody doesn't. For me, I don't care, because I'll be putting some cover-ups over it anyways. So one way or the other, it'll be fine. The material, it's thicker than I would expect from a beach dress. It is almost jersey, but don't get too excited yet. There is way too much of the polyester part. But if you had no other choice, this one's good. This one will be pleasant on your body. Here we have the black number. It has a nice detailing around the cleavage. I like it. And it's comfortable. Now that I'm wearing it, it's really hot. I can't complain. This is really fun piece. I would probably belt it, and I'll definitely put something over it, because first of all, I want to wear a bra, and second of all, I want to hide my arms. This is how it looks in the back. When I have put it on, It looks quite stunning. It is cute. And this is how I'm planning to style it. We're planning to go to the planetarium to check out the Mars replica there. So I'll put some starry cover up over it and I can wear a bra and it will be all fine. Yeah, I like it. It's cute. This dress is the same as the previous black one, just in color. Look at those colors. Gorgeous. So many positives. First of all, it's the same material, so very comfortable, very nice. It will be fine for a beach dress. Very, very cute. It is tied in the back with a ribbon, and yeah, it plunges down to the back where it has some rubber band to keep it on your butt. Overall, same thing as I said about the black one, very cute. This one, on the other hand, may not be that long, but it might be because of the adjustable strap that you can really put it up high so it gets all a bit higher. I really like it and recommend. Here's how it looks on. You can basically copy paste my comments from the black dress because again the material is super comfortable on the body. The cut is nice, just be careful, you have to really tie it up on your neck because sometimes the bra, if you decide to wear a bra, shows on the sides. But what I prefer on the black one is the tying up because that one just has a button while this you have to tie up. And last time I tried this dress on, half of my hair ended up in the bow, so not cool. But otherwise it's gorgeous. I think this one is really special. I love the design, the color looks gorgeous. I really, really enjoy it. What I don't enjoy that much is that it really plunges down to my butt, but I fixed it for now temporarily with tugging it behind my bra, and for the permanent solution I'll keep you posted. I think I'll do one video about how I adjusted or DIY'd some Shein pieces to look better. And the last, but definitely 100% not the least, I would even say the best, is this golden number. It is so gorgeous. I mean, it has lining, so you have one layer of a petticoat, and then there is this gorgeous goldeny, little bit of green and gray in it. It's fabulous. I love this dress. Is it exactly a definition of summer dress? No, definitely not. But I wore it already in a very hot day and I was comfortable. It wasn't bad. Okay, I looked so cute that I wouldn't care if it was a winter coat. It is gorgeous. Be careful, ladies, if you wear it, it falls off your shoulders, and I burnt mine terribly, so don't forget the sunscreen. This golden dress is everything and more. I can't recommend it enough. It is fabulous. It's right on the edge of too much and just enough. I wore it already in Cottagecore. If you're interested at the vlog, it will be on my channel. It is gorgeous dress, and if it wasn't enough, it even came with the belt. And it's gorgeous, perfect. It's a stretchy one, so you can easily put it on and it will fit many different waist sizes. So, you know, perfect dress plus a bonus. I really think you should get this one. If any of these dresses, this is the total winner. I am amazed. Love it. I'll wear it everywhere. I don't care if it's too much, because if you look cute, you're just dressed right. So that's it. That's the whole video about Shein dresses. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, why don't you give me a maxi thumb up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of fashion content or something about traveling. I do all of that and upload every Sunday. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely rest of the day and bye.